My favorite boxers, of course, your father, Muhammad Ali,
Tatay mo yung Muhammad Ali.
si Barry Leonard, Oscar De La Hoya, and Julio Cesar Chavez. Yes.
Some great fighters. Now, any of the, people used to always ask me, who do you try to model yourself after? And I never wanted to be like anybody, but is there any of their skills that you look at and say, I want to jab like him, I want to throw right hand and move like that? Anybody that you want to kind of fight like?
I like the style of, especially Roy Jones when
Roy Jones?
Umuulag si Manny.
fast, footwork and speed hand.
Footwork and speed of Roy Jones, yes, he definitely had that. So it's obvious that, especially in boxing, training is so important. If you don't train, it shows in the ring. And I see that you're wearing a shoe of the hour, the Nike Trainer 1. And you have 2 pairs that were made especially for you. Tell me a little bit about the Trainer 1s.
Oh, this is very comfortable and I like to wear this every day.
Buhok lang sa batas.
I think this is a limited edition, so
Well, it's special.
special. Yes.
Okay, special for you. All right, now tell me a little bit about the meteor tattoo. It's also on your Boom shirt. You gonna make him hold on here? Okay. Tell me a little bit about your meteor tattoo. It's also on your Boom t-shirt.
Oh, my meteor tattoo in my arms. This symbol of my punch is not like it's not only a handstand, but it's like a meteor.
Oh, okay. Alright, now we're going I like that. See, he's humble, but he's still gonna try to knock you out, so don't ever forget that. Now, the Trainer 1s inspired the boxing boot Manny has that he's been training in. Now, if you guys have been watching HBO's 24/7, you've probably seen it, but you haven't seen the Fight Night boot yet, which we're gonna show you tonight. Here it is. You like how they came out?
Yes, this is I'm going to use in the fight.
Look at them now while they're white, because those shoes are going to be all nice and bloody, trust me. Not going to be your blood, though. Now, there's a clip of you in the Nike Boom commercial that just launched. How many of you seen the Nike Boom commercial? Now, in that commercial, you punched David Diaz, and I heard that you were surprised by the impact of that punch and how he reacted to it. Now, do you think that that moment changed the fight? And was one of your biggest shots when you hit David Diaz?
When I hit David Diaz, and then
That's so awkward.
I feel pity to him because before I knock him down, I beat him bad.
Yeah, he got beat up and knocked out. Yeah, that's not good. So what's your boom moment? What is your biggest boom moment?
My biggest boom moment is the Ricky Hatton fight.
Tell me why that was one of your biggest moments.
Because it's it's 2 rounds and that's it.
I think it's always great when you're able to knock somebody out who's never been knocked out, or that people think isn't going to be knocked out, and you go in there and you make it seem so easy. It has to feel good, I know. So we have a lot of kids in the audience, and do you remember when you were a teenager? What were you doing when you were their age, when you were a teenager? What were you doing when you were a teenager, when you were young, like a lot of these kids? Were you training? Were you fighting? When did you start boxing?
I'm a fighter already.
Oh, really? When did you start
I
fighting?
started fighting 12 years old.
12 years old. So he's been at this for a long time. How old are you now?
31.
It ain't no secret. It's public knowledge, okay? It's public information.
31 years old.
Okay. Well, you know what? Thank you, Manny. And now your biggest fans from Carson Community Center. Woo! They have a few questions for you. Come on up.
Hello, Manny. Do you do any other sports outside of boxing?
Yes, aside boxing, I like to play basketball. My family, God in my family.
He said his family was his motivation.
What keeps you motivated?
Do you like girls a lot?
You know, boxing is my passion, and I grew up in boxing, so it's my life. Boxing is my life, so I keep motivate myself to pursue, to train hard, work hard.
What is one accomplishment that has defined your career in boxing? What is one accomplishment that has defined your career in boxing?
In boxing, all the championship fight, the belts, and all that things.
Mari galing yung galing lang. Mamaya na. Yeah, wait. Na muna, wait.
For the teenager who want to box, my suggestion is just be this first school, and you really like to box, just, love it, and don't forget to pray and hard work, because discipline the most important. Boxing is not easy. It's not easy that what you say. But when you train boxing, you find a way. It's not easy.
Thanks, guys. Those were some great questions. Now, Manny, how about we bring some of these guys up to the stage and show them some boxing combinations, something real simple. You guys want to come up and learn from Manny?
Yeah.
Sino pa ni si Manny?
What's your position? Sambo or right? Right hand, okay. Your left, right. Yes. Jab is made in uppercut or jab straight hook. That's a basic of the. It's a boxing.
That's hard. Come on, let's show them how to jab first. You got to start at the beginning.
So
Show them how to jab. You guys don't know what a jab is?
Jab, straight, and hook or uppercut.
It was slow.
You have this.
This is a jab. Okay, so somebody up here left-handed. Okay, so you do the opposite. You stand like this. Okay? Alright? Everybody, now everybody else, your weight needs to be down in the middle. And then when you jab, you're gonna jab off your back foot. Okay? And you're gonna throw it out there sticky fast. Like that. Alright? And once you do that, leave your right hand. Now I'm pregnant, so I can't do too much, but alright? Go practice that at home.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you.